So I was scrolling the internet and I see these eBay mystery boxes. More specifically, eBay makeup mystery boxes. I was intrigued. So basically I spent, let me double check, but so what I got was a makeup mystery box, high-end brands, $160 value, full size. And I paid about $70 with $13.50 shipping. I have my box and I'm ready to freaking just dig in. When I was searching for a makeup mystery box, I didn't want hair, I didn't want skincare, all I wanted was makeup. And so I was kind of searching, finding, you know, the best reviews and things like that. So when I bought the box, the vendor messaged me and asked for specifics like, you know, what brands are your favorite? Is there anything you want to try? And so what I did was I sent her my favorite brands and also things that I have always wanted to try. And so we went off of there. And I did tell her that I have a YouTube channel, and so poor thing did her research and watched probably most of my videos to see kind of what makeup I had and what I didn't have. And so she did tell me it was hard for her to kind of narrow it down. But I feel like if somebody's gonna try that hard, they're worth it. You know what I mean? And so far, the process has been really cool and the vendor has been awesome. Now, I know most people wouldn't want a mystery box because they want to know what they're gonna get. But when somebody like me has a lot of makeup already, I want to try new stuff. I want to explore. I thought this would be super fun, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tear in and let's see what we got. Okay, she's open. Okay, there's a note. Okay, I don't want to read the note. This is your item list with retail value. Don't read this first or you'll ruin your surprise. See, I almost read it. Okay, very nice wrapping so far. There's bubble wrap. I already kind of see what we got first. Okay, so first thing, oh my gosh, the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. And I'll go ahead and start, you know, when I get it, I'll like open it to show you because I've always wanted to try Too Faced palettes and I never have. I don't own one, so this is exciting. And oh my god, it looks like a freaking chocolate bar. Chocolate is my absolute favorite. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Oh my god. This is perfect for a neutral girl but wants pops of color. Because that hot pink and that green and that gold. Oh my god. I cannot wait to try this. Wow. Okay, so far so good. I know that's only the first thing, but I don't know how many items are going to be in here either, so. Okay. Ooh, I see Morphe. This is the Metallic Heat. I think it might be a collection. These are metallic eyeshadows, and there's 3 in here, so let me open her up. And these are what they look like. I want to touch this greenish color. I'll put it on the back of my hand. I love liquid eyeshadows. All right, that's really cute. I'll do one more. Okay, those are really cute. Ooh, I see Urban Decay. This is the Naked Urban Decay Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette, and oh my gosh, I'm always up for a cheek palette. I need new blushes. Oh my gosh, too. No smell, but that's cute. So I didn't get anything from the Cherry Naked collection, but I'm always up for a new blush and highlight. I mean, come on. So you get a gold highlight, and this is actually, I think, more of a pink. They're a little dry to the touch, but I really like this blush shade. I'm excited to try this blush. I'm actually gonna try the blush right now. Okay, that's really cute. I like this. And we'll add a little more highlight too, because, you know, it's me. Still using the brush that Abby left at my house. I mean, I already have so much highlight on right now. So, this is fun. I like it. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. So that's 3 things already. 3 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 full-size products. So I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I actually already have this, but I love it. It is very similar to L'Oreal Lash Paradise if you want a cheaper alternative, but this is always a good one, so I'll probably keep this on hand. Ooh, something else from Too Faced. This is the Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Macchiato Madness. So let's see, and I'll swatch it on my hand. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute, I'm dying. Look how cute she is. We'll go ahead and swatch her on the back of my hand. So I don't know if I necessarily like the formula. Maybe if I don't know what it's going for. It's like really wet. I'll actually have to, so I don't know about that one. I'll actually have to put it on my eyes to know, but so far swatching it, I'm not like super impressed. I think the Morphe ones are a lot more appealing. The last full-size item is the Urban Decay Sharp Liquid Eyeliner, which is literally perfect because I do not have a liquid liner right now. And this is, it looks blue in the shade Push. How does this work? Do y'all see that? There's nothing on the tip, so am I doing it wrong? And it smells weird. I'm scared. Damn it. Like what? Maybe it dried out. Yeah. Unfortunately, this one is either dried out, faulty, there's something wrong with it, it doesn't smell right, so that freaking sucks. But she did send free bonus items. Let's see what we got. This is the Tarte Mermaid Skin. It's hyaluronic H2O serum. So basically you dispense 2 pumps in the back of the hand and massage onto clean, dry skin. So you can use it underneath your moisturizer. So I'm always up for new hydrating products. It's slippery, but when you lay it on your skin, it gets tacky. So I do like that. The extra gift, I got the Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics, and I actually got this in a BoxyCharm. And I really liked it. My BoxyCharm mascara dried out really fast, but this is a good mascara, so I'll definitely use it. Ooh, we got an OFRA brightening mask. Let's see the ingredients. It's got peppermint oil that usually, and paraffins. So some of the ingredients I can't use, so I'll probably give this to my sister or my mom and let them play with it, but I love brightening products. They just like make my skin flare up really bad. Next I got a Nars. This is a Power Matte Lip Pigment in American Woman. Another thing I did tell her was I like really colorful eyeshadows. I like playing with, you know, new eyeshadows, but I like nude lips, like pale nude. So she did good there. Oh, it's a little mini. Okay, I like the color. It's like a pale pink. So that's a pretty color. I would wear that. It's definitely wearable. I have NARS lip gloss, but I don't have their lipstick, so I'm excited to actually see the formula. I've got a Smashbox little lipstick. This is in the shade Famous. It looks like a pink nude. Oh yeah, this is my kind of nude. Paler the better. Oh yeah, this is all me right here. Yep, love that. I cannot wait to put this on. Okay, so pretty sure that's everything in the box. Let me read her little message now. So the Too Faced palette, I really like this. I'm excited to do some eye looks with this. This was a $49 retail value. The Urban Decay liquid eyeliner. This sucks so bad because I needed a new liner, like horribly. This was $22 retail value. That sucks. The Too Faced liquid eyeshadow is $22 retail value. So the glitter in here is pretty. The brown shade in it is not pigmented enough, and so it just looks like meh compared to, you know, Stila and these Morphe ones next to it, but the glitter in it's really pretty. So I will just have to put this on my eyes to know if I like it. I think it's more of a wearable shade, but also it has fun glitter in it. So I don't know. Still on the fence about this one. The Urban Decay face palette, this had a $34 value, and gosh, I'll use this again. I love little palettes like this, especially while traveling. I think these are a little powdery, but honestly, that kind of stuff doesn't really bother me. It's how it sits on the skin, so I thought that blush was very pretty. So I really like this one. And the Too Faced Mascara, this is a $24 value. I already have it, but oh my god, it's pretty good. And so the total retail value was $163, plus I got 5 extra items. So I'll make sure to put her information in the description box if you are interested in getting a eBay makeup or beauty mystery box. She loves picking out makeup for people. She said that's like one of her favorite things to do, and I think that's awesome. I don't want just somebody who's buying and selling makeup, or, you know, I want somebody to put in some effort and to, you know, really be thoughtful about it, and she definitely was. So, you know, I think she did a great job. It just sucks that some of the products, you know, didn't work. It happens, and that's just, I guess, part of the mystery box. So let me know what you guys think. Would you actually get an eBay mystery box? Would you spend the money on it? Let me know in the comments. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.